If you want faster growth, create content that answer this one particular question. Why would someone want to stop scrolling for this? Stop focusing on gaining followers. Stop focusing on the likes, the shares, the engagements. Instead, your point of focus should be on impact. What impact is my videos doing in the life of people? Are they entertaining people? Are they educating people? If your video does not fall in any of this category, then you're actually doing nothing, because the things you are chasing are actually the byproducts of impact. If your videos are entertaining enough, if your videos are educating enough that people are actually learning something from what you're dishing out, whether be it comedy, be it cooking, be it vlogs, be it lifestyle content or educational and tutorial content, as long as your video has value, it is impacting people are learning from it, they will naturally follow you, they will naturally share your videos, they will naturally comment, they will do everything that you think you are chasing. Why? Because this is actually the byproduct or the end product of it. Are you aware that going viral bring in random followers who doesn't even care about you or your content, but they follow you because your video actually went viral? That is why I would always pick steady growth over virality. When you are growing steadily, it is as a result of you consistently showing up on the algorithm every day, which actually builds trust and help you to gain a community that stays. But when your video goes viral, the opposite becomes the case. It brings in random followers, people that are not even interested in your content start following your page, and when you upload the next video, you might be having a very low engagement, which in turn comes to halt your reach, and that tells the algorithm that these people are not interested in your content. Meanwhile, they followed you out of virality. So if you have been itching to go viral, it's time for you to have a rethink. Why not stay consistent? Because when you are consistent, it builds trust amongst your audience, which turns to a community that finally engages with your content. Stop overthinking and start creating. Start creating content that people naturally want to keep, save, or send to other people, because that is what is going to tell the algorithm that your contents are actually valuable. The algorithm doesn't reward perfection, it only rewards consistency. So if you found this tip helpful, why not follow me for more creator tips and secrets like this? And don't forget to share this video so that others can see and learn. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section of this particular video, and I'll be right there to respond to you. And if you have any issue with your account, comment down in the comment section of this video, and I'll take a look at your account and tell you how you can improve on your creator journey. I'll see you guys in my next video for now. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video for now.